So what we got right here is our broccoli. Our broccoli head's coming up. It's got the blade on it. All up in between my broccoli, I want to get these little weeds from coming out. These little weeds, actually, this is lamb's quarter right here. So lamb's quarter is actually edible. I don't want it to be in here taken away from the nutrients and moisture that I got in the soil dedicated to my broccoli. So I use the action hoe to just move like this in between my plants. Early before these weeds deeply root. That's why it's important to space your plants correctly. I get the weeds up, I maintain the structure of the soil. I'm not going down deep to disturb the rhizosphere. I'm just getting up these little weeds right here before they catch. A lot of them are going to break down. It's organic matter. They're going to break down in the soil. They're going to feed the decomposers, the worms, the roly-polies, microorganisms in the soil. They're going to feed them. So you got to get out there after a good rain. Control the weeds. You just got to maintain them. Don't let them take over your grow bed. Just take your time when you get close to the plant. The worst thing you could do is accidentally cut one of your plants. So don't do that. You can't get close. You get nervous about that, then just use your hands. Y'all get out there and grow something. Stay rooted. Bless.